We will tell you the 10 money habits that will make you rich very easily. You should follow all these habits if you really want to get rich. Watch this video till the end because the most crucial habit is the 10th one. Now let's start. Number 1. Make sure to prioritize saving money for yourself before paying any other expenses. It's important to prioritize saving for yourself. Prioritize contributing to your savings and retirement accounts before paying any bills. Being proactive about securing your financial future is a wise choice. Consider automating your paycheck deductions to allocate funds to various accounts, such as savings, 401k, IRA, and more. Many individuals make the common error of prioritizing other expenses over saving for emergencies or retirement, resulting in a lack of savings when they need it most. They end up with no savings because they neglected to prioritize paying themselves until the end of the month. When you prioritize paying yourself first, you're actually benefiting your entire family, especially during unexpected emergencies like job loss or medical issues. Number 2. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation. Resist the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle as your income increases. It's important to exercise caution. This phenomenon is commonly referred to as lifestyle creep. Being mindful of your spending and avoiding unnecessary expenses is crucial when it comes to growing your wealth. In pursuit of this goal, a significant majority of millionaires, 64% to be precise, characterize their homes as modest, and their thrifty mindset carries over to their leisure time as well. The majority of respondents, a staggering 96%, reported spending less than $6,000 annually on vacations, with 41% spending even less, under $3,000 per year. Additionally, a significant majority of 84% stated that they do not engage in useless activities. Instead of adapting your lifestyle to align with your new income, consider making adjustments to your savings and investments. Consider the financial implications of your next big purchases, such as vacations or vehicles, and make sure to prioritize saving. If you want to know the best tips and tricks to become rich, then do subscribe to our channel and also press the like button. Number 3. Secure your financial future. Consistently saving for your retirement is a wise financial practice. Many people tend to prioritize their current needs over saving for the future, but it is crucial to develop a habit of regularly contributing to your retirement fund for the sake of your future self. Ensure a secure retirement and avoid burdening your children as they begin to establish their own lives. Maximize retirement savings. Making a small increase of 2% can have a significant impact over time. Consider adjusting your contribution to align with any increase in income. Number 4. Establish and stick to a budget. Carefully examine your financial situation, including your expenses and spending patterns. Utilize this information to establish a monthly budget that aligns with the prudent financial practice of living within your means. Consider incorporating savings and retirement into your budget as separate line items. It is important to prioritize sticking to your budget. Consider downloading a budgeting app, like Mint, to begin monitoring your expenses. You can also create a budget using a traditional pen and paper method. It's important to be mindful of both your expenses and income. Creating a budget is a straightforward tool that many people overlook or neglect to prioritize. Number 5. Embrace the joy of lifelong learning. It is highly beneficial for individuals to cultivate a daily practice of acquiring new knowledge. For optimal money management, it is recommended to acquire new knowledge about finances on a daily basis. Begin by addressing the financial inquiries you currently have and actively pursue the solutions. Stay informed by regularly tuning into financial news shows and podcasts, as well as reading books and watching YouTube videos. Most millionaires have a strong desire for continuous learning, growth, and improvement. The majority of individuals, 88% to be precise, reported that they engage in daily reading to enhance their understanding of their profession and the field they work in. A large majority of respondents, 85%, stated that they read at least 2 books per month. Additionally, 63% mentioned that they find enjoyment in listening to audiobooks or podcasts during activities such as commuting, exercising, or doing housework. Number 6. Be smart with your credit cards. Using a credit card to buy things you can't afford is a terrible financial habit. Nevertheless, credit cards can still be utilized. They simply need to be utilized wisely. It is important to develop a practice of using your credit card responsibly by ensuring that you can pay off the balance in full each month, thus avoiding any interest charges. By utilizing a rewards credit card in this manner, one can enjoy the advantages without any concerns about accumulating debt. It is important to prioritize paying off credit card debt and to be mindful of your credit card usage. Only charge expenses that you can comfortably pay off in the next billing cycle. Number 7. Shop with a clear purpose in mind. One of the most detrimental financial habits individuals often fall into is making impulsive purchases. Those small impulsive purchases can gradually erode your savings over time. Shopping with the sole purpose of finding satisfaction or alleviating boredom can have similar effects. When it comes to managing your finances, one of the most effective habits is shopping with a clear purpose in mind. Consider purchasing items that offer long-term value or serve a specific purpose, rather than indulging in fleeting moments of happiness. Make sure to bring a list when you go shopping and stick to it. Number 8. Stay on top of your financial situation by regularly keeping an eye on your finances. It's important to change the habit of avoiding looking at your bank accounts, 401k statements, or additional financial statements as soon as possible. It is crucial to keep track of the balance in each of your accounts for effective financial planning. Gain the knowledge to effectively interpret and comprehend your 401k statements. It's important to carefully monitor your monthly spending and review your 401k statements to ensure there are no unnoticed issues with your account. There is a possibility that your account could be subject to unexpected holds or sudden payments for unforeseen bills or bank charges. It's important to stay on top of your statements to avoid any surprise fees and charges that banks may deduct from your account without your knowledge. Number 9. Practice frugal living. One common money habit among affluent individuals is prioritizing living within their means. Put simply, they make more money than they use. They have no interest in comparing themselves to others. They avoid taking on a mortgage that could potentially burden them in retirement. They have a clear understanding of their income and expenses and make financial decisions accordingly. Take a close look at your income and expenses to determine if you're spending more than you can afford. If you're looking to make choices on what you can cut back on, consider evaluating your expenses. Many individuals tend to take inspiration from their peers and acquaintances when making purchasing decisions for luxury items. It's possible that your neighbor or friend has made purchases on credit and is already burdened by an overwhelming amount of debt. If you aspire to wealth, it's crucial to avoid getting caught up in the burden of debt or falling into the trap of financial instability. Number 10. Schedule a meeting with a financial advisor consistently. The role of a financial advisor is exactly as it sounds, providing guidance on your financial situation. If you already have a financial advisor, it would be wise to have a conversation with them to discuss any necessary adjustments that can help you grow your wealth. It's crucial to find a financial advisor if you haven't already. Seeking guidance from a knowledgeable professional and seeking answers to your inquiries is a valuable financial practice. As an illustration, David Blanchett, the head of retirement at Morningstar, shared a report stating that individuals who sought professional advice had up to 40% higher income during retirement compared to those who didn't seek any assistance. Now, if you want to know what are the things you need to avoid in order to get rich, then just subscribe to our channel and watch the video appearing on the right side. This video has helped many individuals and will help you too. So I highly suggest you watch the video. Thank you.